Hi guys. Sorry, it's like really dark. I'm gonna be showing you my therian noises, like howling, barking, growling. Yep. All right. Here's my growl. I just kind of use my throat and like roll my R, I guess you can say. Sorry if there's noises in the background. One's my bird and the others are just background noises and fireworks. I don't know why people have fireworks still. Probably because it was 4th of July. Boom. Wow. Magic, right? Okay, that was really cringy. The next one is my bark. There's my bark. And I just add noise to breathing out. And the last one is my howl. Yep. That was all. Shit. That failed. Alright, well, I will see you guys later. Bye.